Hey y'all, thanks for joining. So we're going to go ahead and continue our adventure in building out this plugin. So let's go ahead and open up our Visual Studio. And so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to set up the organization service reference. So we need to obtain that. So first, let's go ahead and just add that to our code. It's always best practice to just comment everything so that we know what we're doing. Obtain the organization service reference so we can make web service slash API calls. That's really what this is for. So how best to explain this? So if you want to work with any of the data that's inside of your plugin as it's being processed, you have to use this organization service. There's something out there called the web API. You wouldn't use that in a plugin. You only use the SDK API in a plugin, and those have to be compiled as .NET assemblies, which is exactly what we're doing here. So I'm going to show you the syntax for initializing that org service, and we'll go from there. So it's going to be I organization service factory, and then I'm going to call this service factory. Alt tab, take a shortcut there. This needs to be service provider. I get service type of I organization service factory. That one's good to go. But we also need the service as well. Okay, so you're going to do something almost identical, except you're using the I organization service here. So service, and then right here, what you want to do is service factory dot create organization service, and then here what you want to pass is context dot user ID, and then just terminate. So now we have obtained the organization service reference. We have this variable here, service factory, but what we're really interested in more than anything is this service here. So we're good to go. In the next video, we're actually going to do all of our logic. We're going to complete and sign the plugin, and then in a later video, we'll go ahead and deploy it as an assembly in the plugin registration tool and test it out. I'm really excited. Thank you so much for watching.